My video will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Craa. Craa is a ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Of course, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types like that. But some computers are vulnerable before ransomware attacks, and because of that, very soon users realize that they just cannot use their data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them essentially, so it's not possible to use these files after the ransomware attack. Most often people restart their computers and then they suddenly realize that something bad has taken place with their files. And the ransomware is called Craa because it encrypts files and appends a special Craa extension to the file names. So, unfortunately, because of this ransomware and its attack, the files are indeed damaged, and it's not possible to recover them without the available decryption key. So now you can see the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Craa extension. So you should not pay the ransom because the ransomware would tell you to do that. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the system. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your files by adding certain folders that will be always protected against ransomware attacks. Premium license is what you need to keep your data always under the protection by Combo Cleaner.